Zen Travel is one and only wellness travel company in Georgia, specializing in Zen-inspired holidays such as yoga retreats and mindful travel programs. We have years of experience in travel industry, as well as true love and dedication to yoga and healthy lifestyle.
We run themed retreat holidays, meaning that every program we have has its own objective and the topic. The topic may vary from emotional healing to relationships and mind detox with respective alternative healing practices. Moreover, the program features meditation, yoga, life coaching sessions, spa treatments, as well as cultural and nature-based activities. We strongly believe that our integrated approach, guided by professional practitioners, can inspire and educate our customers to make lifetime changes. As we combine healing with the traveling, we are working towards pinning Georgia on the map of retreat holidays. We understand it might not be the obvious choice, but for those who are looking for off-beaten path destinations, we are offering a land at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. Given its biodiversity, unique properties of balneological sea and mountain resorts, as well as abundance of spiritual and sacred sites, Georgia is a place of your retreat holidays.
We believe that traveling is not about changing your locations, but it's all about opening yourself up to change.